Welcome to Hypertherm Powermax SYNC DSP PCB Replacement and Data Backup Guide video. Items and tools required for replacing the DSP PCB and backup data are nose plier or tweezer, Phillips head screwdriver, new DSP board and Torx T15 screwdriver or key. Power up the Powermax SYNC. Press the current/gas selector button and hold for 2 seconds to go to the main menu screen. Turn the adjustment knob to select the cartridge and power supply data menu screen and press current/gas selector button. Now turn the adjustment knob, select the power supply data icon and press the button to read the data. Press the current/gas selector button to go back to the previous menu screen. Turn the adjustment knob to select back icon and press current/gas selector button to go back to the main menu. Turn the adjustment knob to select service icon and press the current/gas selector button to go to the service information submenu. Now select DSP icon using the adjustment knob and then press current/gas selector button to go into the cut counter screen. Turn the adjustment knob to select the arrow that points the backup. Press the current/gas selector button to copy the DSP data to backup and make sure the data under backup is now the same as the data under DSP. Power off the power supply and make it safe. Using the Torx T15 key, remove the 16 screws to open the cover. Remove the cover and the insulation sheet and keep it in a safe place. If there is an RS485 serial communication PCB installed, disconnect the DSP connector from J7 at the top of the DSP PCB. Use the Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws. Pull the DSP PCB straight out from the power PCB. Do not bend the pins. Disconnect the ribbon cable from J6 on the component side of the DSP PCB. Please make sure to put the jumper on JMP3 on the new DSP PCB as shown, but it prevents the torch from firing a plasma arc if you keep it on the DSP PCB. Do not remove the 2-pin jumper until the system level cut data is saved to the new DSP PCB. Connect the ribbon cable to J6 on the component side of the new DSP PCB. Align the 2 posts with the related holes in the power PCB. Carefully push the DSP PCB onto the power PCB. Do not bend the pins. Attach the DSP PCB to the power PCB with the 2 screws. Tighten the screws to 1.1 Newton-meter. If there is an RS485 serial communication PCB installed, connect the DSP connector to J7 at the top of the DSP PCB. Make sure that the connector is in the correct position. The green wire pin 1 must be at the right. Set the power switch on the plasma power supply to on. Go to the cut counters transfer screen. Turn the adjustment knob to select the arrow that points to DSP. Push the current/gas selector button to save the system level cut data to the new DSP. Make sure that the data under DSP is now the same as the data under backup. Turn off the power supply. Make the system safe. Remove the jumper using the nose plier or tweezer. Put the insulation sheet back. Fold the top of the component barrier onto the top edge of the power PCB, inside the plasma power supply frame, and under the end panel bracket. Make sure that all of the wires that are connected to the power PCB are behind the insulation sheet. Put the cover on the plasma power supply. Do not pinch any wires. Install the 16 screws on the plasma power supply cover. Tighten the screws to 1.7 Newton-meter. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact our technical service team for further information.